Problem number 13, similar to the previous problem, calculation of beta, alpha and characteristic line. The problem goes like this: the rates of return of Aruna Limited, Aruna Company Limited and the market portfolio for the periods are given below. So 10 different periods given, return of Aruna Company is given, return of market is given. So values are given there for Aruna Company as well as market return. Please remember here again, note market return denoted as X. So market return as X, stock returns is Y. So Aruna Company stock is Y. This is the most important one. It need not be always in the same one. Y first, X next. X can be first, Y can be next. So we have to be very careful while substituting the values. Then we have to go for totaling the Y column as well as the X column. So when you add here, you have to be careful. We have two minus values, minus 5 and minus 7. So first add all the plus values, then minus 5 and minus 7. That will give 150. So total is 162, minus 12 is 150. Here in the market return, you have one minus value. So add all the plus and minus 6, you get 120. So when you add plus values, you have 126, minus 6 is 120. Next, coming to the fourth column, x square. So we have to square all the values given in the x column. So that goes like this: 22 into 22, 484, 20 into 20, 400, 18 into 18, 16 into 16, 20 into 20, 8 into 8, minus 6 into minus 6 becomes plus 36, 25, 36, 121. So here all plus values in the x square.
Yes, sir.
X square, we have to add all the values in the x square column. No minus values here. All are plus values. Easy to total. Total is 2146. Next is very careful. X into y. So x into y, or even if you do y into x, one and the same, not an issue. So 20 into 22 or 22 into 20 is going to be the same value. Calculation of x into y, either 20 into 22 or we can go for 22 into 20, that is x into y or y into x is going to be same. 22 into 20, 440, 22 into 20 again, 440, 25 into 18, 450, 21 into 16, 336, like that. If you go further, we have to be careful when minus is there. Minus 5 into 8, minus 40. 17 into minus 6, minus 102. So 19 into 5, 95. Minus 7 into 6, minus 42. 20 into 11, 220. So when totaling again, here you have to be careful. Add all the plus values, then minus 40, minus 102, minus 42. If you do, you get 2157 total. After deducting 3 minus values, you get 2157. So now we have to go for calculation of beta. So beta substitution, n is 10, summation xy 2157, next minus summation x 120, summation y 150, then again divided by n into summation x square. N is 10, summation x square is 2146, then minus summation x whole square. Summation x is 120 whole square. So substitution is very important, then only your answer will go right. So go for multiplication and simplification. 10 into 2157, 21,570 minus 120 into 150, 18,000 divided by 10 into 2146, 21,460, then 120 into 120, 14,400. So go for simplification further, minus the values there from the first one to second one, 3570, 7060. So beta value is 0.5056. So beta value is found. Then we have to go for calculation of alpha. Alpha has simplified the formula. So here first formula is y bar is equal to alpha plus beta into x bar. I have simplified that because alpha we are finding unknown value to be left hand side and the known values to the right hand side. So here we need y bar and x bar, which is not given in the problem, which we have to find out. So there is a working here. 120 divided by 10, 12. Then 150 divided by 10, 15. So this working we have to substitute here to find alpha. Y bar is 15 minus beta 5056 into x bar 12. So substitute carefully, then it becomes easy for you to work. So if you simplify 15 minus 0.5056 into 12, 6.06. So alpha is equal to 15 minus that value, 8.94 is the alpha value. Next, go for characteristic line. So here the formula looks similar, but no y bar, no x bar, it is only a line. We are not going to simplify this because y is also unknown, x is also unknown for us. We know alpha value and the beta value. Alpha 8.94 plus beta 0.5056 into x. So it is a line, like a regression equation line. If we know x, we can find the value of y. Similarly, when we know y, we can find the value of x. So if any of the value is given in the problem, then we can find out, like suppose here y, that is if we want to find the return of y, that is the company value. If we know the market value, we can find y value. Like that, we can do opposite calculation also.